Yes, children. So now we are going to find minimum focal length of eye lens when we see closer objects. Minimum focal length of eye lens when we see closer objects. But in the previous class we explained the maximum focal length of the eye lens when we see distant objects. Now what is the minimum focal length of the eye lens when we see closer objects? So closer objects means they must be placed at least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. So now to what length focal length of eye lens decreases. So this kind of facility is also called accommodation of eye lens. So the eye lens can adjust its focal length. So when we see distant objects to a maximum value, that is 2.5 centimeter, and also when we see closer objects, it can adjust its focal length to minimum value, that is 2.27 centimeter. So how can we find this minimum focal length of the eye lens, children? So now this is indicating eye lens, and you can understand this part is a retina. So now here an object is there. Suppose this object is placed at a distance, that is the least distance of distinct vision, so from which the rays are entering the eye through the eye lens. So after passing through the eye lens, that is after refracting through the eye lens, so they are exactly converging or intersecting on the retina. So there they form the image, and it is optic center. So from here to here it is the image distance. Image distance in the human eye is always fixed, that is 2.5 centimeter. And here to here this is object distance, u is 25 centimeter. So because object is placed at least distance of distinct vision, so now from sign convention rules, object distance on the left side of the lens and also opposite to incident rays, that's why we take u is equals to minus 25 centimeter, and image distance is plus 2.5 centimeter. So we want to find focal length of the eye lens. Focal length of eye lens. So this is taken as a f minimum. So this is a question mark. So from lens formula we have 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by. This implies f is f minimum, we want to calculate. F minimum is equals to 1 by 2.5 minus, and this is a minus, u value is a minus, and here is a minus, minus minus plus 1 by 25. So this is equals to 1 by 2.5. 2.5 is written as 25 by 10 plus 1 by 25. So this implies 1 by f minimum is equals to, so it can be reversed to 10 by 25 plus 1 by 25. So LCM is 25 now, 10 plus 1 11. So this implies we are writing as f minimum by 1. We are reversing denominator and numerator because we want to calculate f minimum. So f minimum by 1 is equals to 25 by 11. So this implies minimum focal length of the eye lens. So dividing this one, it will be 2.27 centimeter. Children, so have you understood this one? So this is the minimum focal length of the eye lens when we see distant objects. So focal length of the eye lens can be adjusted So by itself, maximum to 2.5 centimeter, minimum to 2.27 centimeter. So when there is a no problem of vision, when there is no defect in the eyes, so for a healthy human being, the eye lens can adjust its focal length maximum up to 2.5 centimeter, minimum 2.27 centimeter. That's all about maximum and minimum focal length of eye lens, children.